Good morning, students. You all are welcome to this online class. This is our last session of this chapter 2, Nutrition in Living Organism, Animals and Man. In this chapter, whatever we have studied, let us recapitulate with the help of keywords and do you know. Then we will discuss the fill in the blanks, match the following, tick the correct answer. And in the previous session, I have given you few questions. So we will discuss the answer of that questions also. Now keywords. Absorption. Process by which digested food passes into the blood. Second, alimentary canal, the long muscular tube in which the human body through which food passes after its ingestion. Assimilation, process of using absorbed food for the growth and producing energy. Buccal cavity, oral cavity located at the upper end of the alimentary canal. Cacum, bag-shaped part at the beginning of the large intestine present in ruminants. Canines, pointed teeth used for tearing food. Digestion, breaking down of complex food into simple soluble forms with the help of digestive juices. Enamel, white substance that covers the teeth. Digestion, the process of elimination of undigested food. Ingestion, the process of taking in of food. Incisor, front teeth used for cutting and biting. Molar, last teeth that are larger and flat and are used for crushing and grinding food. Oesophagus, food pipe. Premolar, teeth situated next to canine and used for crushing and grinding food. Pseudopodia, false feet of amoeba which it uses to trap its food and for its movement. Ruminants, curd chewing herbivore animals. Villi, small projection in the inner walls of small intestine of human being. This helps in absorption of digested food. Now come to, let us discuss about the you must know. Animal nutrition includes nutrients, requirement, mode of intake of food and utilization in the body. Second point we have discussed about the heterotrophic nutrition is of three types: saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Now next we have discussed about the different processes. The process of nutrition in animals involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. Now next, the human digestive system consists of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine ending in the rectum and anus. The main digestive gland which secrete digestive juices are the salivary gland, the liver and the pancreas. The stomach walls and the walls of small intestine also secrete digestive juice. The different types of teeth also we have discussed in the human beings. There are four different type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molars. Digestion begins in the buccal cavity and continues in the stomach and small intestine. The digested food gets absorbed in the blood vessels from the small intestine. We have also discussed about the absorbed substance are transported to different parts of the body. Water and salts, minerals all are absorbed from the undigested food in the large intestine. The undigested and unabsorbed residue are expelled out of the body as a feces through the anus. Curd chewing herbivore animals are called ruminants. They first quickly swallow the food and stored it in the rumen. Later on, the food returned to the mouth and the animals again chew it thoroughly. Next, we have discussed the last. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet called pseudopodia. The food digested in the food vacuoles. I have explained you with the help of diagrams that how the food particles gets to be entered into the amoeba's body, and when it gets to be properly digested, how it is expelled out from the body. Now in the previous session I have given you few questions. The first question is, what is ruminant? So the answer is, the curd chewing herbivorous animals are called ruminants. Next question is, what is rumination? Rumination is the process in which ruminants bring curd back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. The next question is, what is curd? Curd is the partially digested food returned from the first stomach of ruminants to their mouth for further chewing. And the last is, write the steps of nutrition in amoeba. We have discussed the steps of nutrition in amoeba through the diagram, that how the food particles are located in the environment and how does this amoeba used to take this food particles from the environment. So you have to draw the same diagram that we have discussed in the chapter when we were discussing about the nutrition in amoeba. If few of them has missed it, again I am showing you the diagram of nutrition in amoeba. So you have to note down all these questions in your homework copy. Starts with the fill in the blanks. The first is, the digestion of food in humans starts in the mouth and completed in the anus. Dash present, second, dash present in the stomach kills bacteria. Hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Third, the largest gland the largest gland in human body is liver. Fourth, partially digested food that is chewed again by grass-eating animal is called curd. Amoeba uses dash for locomotion and capturing of its food, that is pseudopodia. Now, once again, I am repeating the answers. Please make it correct. First is mouth and anus. Second is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Third, liver. Fourth, curd. And fifth is pseudopodia. Starts with the fill in the blanks. The first is the digestion of food in humans starts in the mouth and completed in the anus. Dash present, second, dash present in the stomach kills bacteria. Hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Third, the largest gland in human body is liver. Fourth, partially digested food that is chewed again by grass-eating animal is called curd. Amoeba uses dash for locomotion and capturing of its food, that is pseudopodia. Now, once again, I am repeating the answers. Please make it correct. First is mouth and anus. Second is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Third, liver. Fourth, curd. And fifth is pseudopodia. Now come to the match the following: gallbladder, bile juice, protein, amino acids, intestinal wall, absorption, rumen, cow, pseudopodia, false fit. Now let us again, we should revise it. Now the answer is, for the match the following: first is bile juice, second amino acid, third absorption, fourth cow, fifth is false fit. Now let us come to the tick the correct answer. First is organisms that can synthesize their food are called autotrophs. What they are called? They are called autotrophs. Now cow is a heterotroph. Cow is a heterotroph. Now the third question is animals that eat both plant material and animals are called omnivores. They are called omnivores. Which one of these is not a part of alimentary canal? That is liver. Liver is a gland. It's not a part of alimentary canal. The bile juice is released by the which gland? By the liver. Now next we have to complete the answer the following questions in brief. So in this session we will discuss about the first question, that is the define the terms holozoic nutrition, alimentary canal. So let us discuss the first, that is the holozoic nutrition. Now come to holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic consists of two words,